Okay, so I want to shoot this video for two potential 1,000% gainers tomorrow on Friday. 1 day gain. So basically, you can invest $100. You can come out with 1,000 at the end of the day. Okay, so the two plays that I'm seeing a beautiful setup on are 3M. So ticker symbol MMM and Tdoc. Tdoc. It's telling me to buy puts here. So anyway, as far as my call, it'll be MMM, 3M. The reason why I'm choosing this play, because I see this setup over and over and over again. And it works flawlessly. But everything has to stay in place near the end of the day. So we have about 2 hours until market close. So as long as it keeps its structure on a 15-minute time frame, then we're good to go. So I'll let you guys know whether or not I take the trade. But more than likely, it should hold. It should definitely hold its structure. So let me get into it real quick. So on MMM, I have something here called super trend candles. You see how the candle turned from dark green to light green. So that means it's ready to go. This stock had a squeeze, well, has a squeeze on the daily time frame. Lost momentum, right? Volume is up above that line there, that 50, like halfway mark. It's above that. I go down to my 15-minute time frame and I see a dip. See, that's what I look for. I just look for dips, 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 dips. You don't have to worry about that where it says buy puts because this structure is still forming. So of course that will leave, because it's squeezing so tight. So my indicators on the 15-minute chart, it's everywhere right now because it's like, okay, what's about to happen? They don't know because there's a battle when the squeeze happens. There's a battle between buyers and sellers, right? So in this case, we're looking for the buyers to win. All right, so let me speed through this a little faster. So there's a beautiful squeeze. It's losing momentum on a 15-minute time frame as well. Like I said, it has a squeeze. So this should pop up to this line here tomorrow, right? And why am I choosing that line? Let's see. Because it's the white Keltner channel here, all right? It tends to always hit that in 1 day. All right, so that's for my call. Tdoc is for the put. So the momentum is losing momentum on the upside, coming down, red candle. It should hit this Keltner channel here. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. Losing momentum, and there's a squeeze. So this could potentially be 1,000% winner. And how do I know that? If you look back at my other videos, you'll see how I went over Roku, Snow, Tesla, like different stocks like that. Let me show you an example real quick before I end the video. So we were right in here. And if you go look through my videos and look for the video of me going over Roku, you'll see what I mean. See how the super trend candle turned green that day. Now, you couldn't tell whether or not I was losing momentum here because it's red on the TTM squeeze. But what ended up happening was I ended up going down to the 4-hour time frame, and I was able to see it there. So that was right in here when it lost momentum here. So the next day, pop, went up, went all the way up. I almost hit that second Keltner channel line. So anyway, that's what happened there. And it seems to always happen. You get that super trend candle and it's ready to go. It's ready to pop. And you have to stay in the trade until it hits here. Hits the Keltner channel. And it bounced back from there. All right. Let me see. Snow. I think that was another one. Yeah, right in here. Right there. Green candle. Next day. So I lost momentum here. Next day. Pop. Smacked it right there. 1000% gain. That's all for me.